Hello and welcome. Sorry about overall mood and the sound of my voice. I am sick right now and not doing the most pleasant thing right now. So the other day, I wake up and get woken up to this right here. You see, what happened is at some point in the middle of the night, some assholes pulled up in their van. Assholes who decided that they needed the wheels off of my mother-in-law's car more than she did. Luckily, they were nice enough to put the car on cinder blocks. Well, mostly. One of them was a garden brick. I actually replaced that one with the cinder block. Yeah, middle of the night, and it was a wonderful thing to wake up to in the morning. As kind of a background on this, my house is a duplex, so my wife's mother and brother live in one part of the duplex, and we live in the other. And this is the shared driveway. I was not parked back here when this happened. I was parked up front, and my wife's car was in the shop having hail dents removed. So this was the only car back here. I looked down the alleyway. Not a single other car was touched. Just this one, an 07 Hyundai Sonata with OEM wheels. Like, I looked at what they're going for. I mean, yeah, they're like, $100 on eBay, but at a pawn shop, how much are you really gonna get? Well, apparently it was enough for these assholes, but yeah. Anyway, let me show you what we're doing today. So for new wheels and tires, that can actually get kind of expensive. Really didn't want to spend the money on it, and my mother-in-law's deductible is $500, so the goal was stay under $500, which we did. So we got some used Nokian tires. They still got lots of tread left, and they're not that old. So there's a tire shop like 2 blocks from my house, so we got them from there. The wheels, unfortunately, I can't go around to salvage yards and look for myself, because around here salvage yards are open only during the hours I work, so that really screws me over there. But one of the yards, they're really good. I called them up, asked if they had anything. They did not. And they searched inventory, and ends up the closest Hyundai Sonata wheels are in Idaho. So that's where these came from. They had to go from Idaho to there, but still came in for a full set at like $250. They're a little rusted, but not terrible. Tires were like 40 a piece, so still doing well. And then lug nuts, because for whatever reason those were taken too. In case you were wondering, I am not terribly hopeful that the people who did this are going to be caught. There's a business on the other side of the alley, and they do have cameras. Unfortunately, the cameras aren't really angled for here. They got a little bit of what happened. I'll show you that here real quick. I'll show you that right now. So you can see the resolution isn't good, but they got a little bit. We gave that to the police. Theft isn't treated very highly here in Billings, unfortunately. It took 2 days just for us to be able to open a case with the police. 2 days for them to send a cop over for us to do that. So yeah, theft isn't treated very seriously here. Anyway, let's get this car jacked up and get some wheels under it. So you'll see today that to do this, I have my impact wrench. I have a 21mm socket on there, and a torque wrench. So you still want to do a final torque. I looked up for these. It's 80 pound-feet. So that's what we'll tighten it to. I got my jack here. We'll get it raised up, and we'll do that. The gun makes it real quick. Obviously you can do it with hand tools, but it's a little quicker, and I'm not feeling well, so I'd rather just do it quick. So unfortunately we're on gravel right now, and my jack is not made for gravel, so it can't roll as the car goes up, which it needs to. So I have to kind of shim this with wood, reposition the jack, and keep doing that because I really don't feel like having the car slip off and slam back down onto cinder block. Alright, so I didn't notice this before, but look what this idiot did. He tried jacking right here initially. Oh. Right here. Like the plastic. There's pinch welds right there. There's a lot of panels that come together right here. And yeah, no, instead this piece of plastic seemed good for him. These guys were idiots. Well, wheels are all on. The car can now actually drive. This was really a shitty thing for about a week while we were trying to get wheels and tires in and time to put them on. So now that it's actually done, she'll be able to drive herself to work and stuff like that, which for a single parent is really important. So as a final reminder before I leave you, please click that like and subscribe button and check out hnpspeed.com. And even better, buy a shirt, buy a hoodie. We have women's, men's, whatever. So thank you very much. Have a good day.